can link your phone number to your account for easier login and enable face or biometric authentication for added security. Since we have already registered with an EZVIZ account, we can directly log in and use the app to start configuring the camera. Note, when configuring the Wi-Fi, keep the camera near the internet modem or router to set up the Wi-Fi and mobile app. Afterward, you can place the camera in its desired location. To add the camera, click on Add Device or the plus symbol. Ensure that the camera is in network connection mode. If it isn't, reboot or reset the camera using the Reset button. When you reach the device selection screen in the EZVIZ app, select Camera from the list of available device types. This ensures that the app recognizes the specific functionalities associated with a camera setup. Next, grant the app permission to access your photos. This permission allows the app to utilize the camera scanner effectively for reading QR codes directly from your device's display or from the camera itself, streamlining the setup process. After selecting the device type and allowing photo access, the camera scanner interface will open. This scanner reads QR codes, which are essential for linking the camera to the app. Locate the QR code on the camera body label, usually a square code printed on a sticker.